Hey everyone. Welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Dodge Caliber owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Dodge Caliber models from 2006 to 2012. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. And that's it for today's guide on the Dodge Caliber 2006 to 2012 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Dodge DIYs and car maintenance tips. Have any questions, or have you encountered any fuse-related issues in your Dodge Caliber? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.